Hey guys, and welcome to my phone. This is actually going to be the mobile form of my video series of Zoom. I just finished up on my PC version, and now I figured I'd hop on to the mobile version. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom. It's going to be simple. I have an Android device, as you guys can see here, but you can also find it on on iOS and iPhones and stuff like that on the App Store. And I'm just going to show you this way, that way you can see what the icon looks like and what the name of the app is actually going to be. So first off, you're just going to go to your app store of choice. So I'm going to go to the Play Store, and then you're going to search for apps. So you're going to look for Zoom, and I've already done it before, but you're going to look for Zoom and you're going to search Zoom. So the first one should pop up on here as Zoom Cloud Meetings. So you can hit the install right here if you have Android. If not, you can go into the app if you want to read more about it and check stuff, ratings and stuff like that. But once you're here, you can hit the big install button. It's going to take a few, depending on your internet connection, but it shouldn't take that long to download. Alright, finished downloading, now it's installing. And that's pretty much it. You can then just hit open from here, and it'll bring you right into the app, which is going to load up here just like this, and bring you right here. So that's that. That's I figured a pretty quick video. But now, my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to join a meeting through your app. A lot of this stuff might be a little similar to how you do on the PC, but just in a mobile form. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below or send me a message on my Facebook page, and I'll see you guys in the next video.